Due to the accident, Mirror member Keung To and Jeremy missed the local premiere of a movie in which they starred, Mama's Affair.
But the feedback is very good. In less than 4 days after its release, the box office has breached 10 million Hong Kong dollar mark.
You are right, cause fans showed their support through watching the movie in cinemas.
Dozens of fans caught Keung, dressed in black, outside a cinema at Times Square in Causeway Bay.
Oh, that's funny. After making a surprise appearance at cinemas, he showed up at Victoria Park to play basketball. Many fans turned up to take pictures of him.
I think he is so busy. It is time to take a rest.
After the severe accident, his entire work schedule was disrupted. He originally planned to release his first English song, but he had to shelve the plan by now.
Makerville would like to create trailer-made English song for him to expand the overseas market. That English songs will be handed over to Sony for distribution, in the European and American markets. This album was originally planned to be released within this year, but it has been put on hold.
Anyway, I'm looking forward to listening his English song.